Hey my babies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Riahjay and I'm back with another video. In today's video, my babies, we're gonna do a mukbang. I have my food right here. I just picked the baby up from school. It's Friday, so I said, you know what, let me pick me and Wookie up some nice food to eat, you know, for a nice lunch. So I just have some vegetable lo mein, and then I have some sauteed broccoli. I decided to switch it up today. I didn't want to do the same old rice and sauteed broccoli that I always do, okay? So let's get into it. Thank you Allah for this food. Thank you Allah for blessing me with the food. Thank you so much for the people that prepare the food. I want you to watch over this food for me. Bless this food so it can nourish my soul. Thank you so much for blessing me and my family with this opportunity to eat this food. Thank you for this overall experience. Inshallah, Ameen. So let's get right in. This is my first time getting lo mein from the Chinese food that I got it. The Chinese store that I actually got this from, but I always get the broccoli and rice from there, so I'm sure that it'll be really tasty. Let me back up so y'all can see. Ruthie's right here. This is her first time actually eating lo mein, and she loves it right now. I told her it's like spaghetti a little bit, you know. But it's the Chinese noodle.
Yeah, these humans throw a lot of good food away. And when they forget to lock the dumpster, bingo! It's a win-win for me, baby!
He's got this city living thing all figured out.
Yes, that's all.
I know I put my
Still would have been right if he knew the directions to Wick's plumbing.
Wait a minute, directions.
y'all know I put my soy sauce and hot sauce in it.
I took that away from the TV.
It was in your way?
No, because I couldn't see squeaks.
Oh, okay.
I couldn't see squeaks. I only saw Nature Cat and Daisy.
Yeah, I forgot to put that on the table. Actually, I wanted to put that in the fridge. And it came with a brisk, so gave Wookie most of it. So I just have a sip. Let me actually clean the top. I don't like, they didn't give me no straw. I don't like putting my mouth on cans. You know, when was the last time I had some tea? So today was pretty productive, my baby. Ran some errands. I recorded some content, so y'all gonna be seeing new content on Saturday, tomorrow for me. And y'all gonna see this on Sunday. And unknown, I have to upload no dairy, the no dairy episode 2, so that'll be coming. I'll probably record that on Sunday, but I'll upload it on Monday. Don't quote me, but most likely.
Beautiful brown coat. Every time he sniffs the ground, he gets a little dirt caught in his third whisker. It's our best friend. And I really miss him so.
And these are the same chopsticks that I got from the sushi place. I don't know if I was allowed to take them, you know what I mean? But I took them anyway.
He knows all that goes on in this fair city of ours.
Hawk. But where can we find this so-called hawk?
You like lo mein? Which one you like better, lo mein? Don't do that because you're going to drip it everywhere. You got that soy sauce. You like lo mein and sauteed broccoli, or you like rice and sauteed broccoli better?
I like both.
Both, right? You like me. You can't pick. Everything is so good.
I mean, wouldn't that be amazing? Maybe one day go out there, Mr. Twinkie?
I mostly come out late at night. Streets can be pretty dangerous with all the people in the cars. Hey, I'm walking here! I'm walking! But even more
This is so good. And they make their noodles thick too at this place. This is so good.
We're getting closer to the top. Ow, why? I mean, kind of cool though, huh? We're in what now, Mr. Lewinsky? Oh, no. How did we get up here?
Did I tell y'all what I got? I got vegetable lo mein. I think I told y'all already, but I'm going to say it again. Vegetable lo mein with sauteed broccoli and brown sauce for those who may want to give this meal a try.
Yep. Hot's here. See? Hot fellas. Well, you're on your own now. So long. You looking for me?
That part remind me of Pat with the bird.
We really need your help.
Yeah,
She
the
said,
boy-
come closer.
No, the
Come
boy,
in with the hawk.
The boy hawk.
Yeah.
That's a girl.
Oh, that's a girl?
Our best friend. And I really miss him so.
There, cat. I'd be happy to help. One quick fly around the city should do the trick. You coming?
Yes, sure, of course. Hi.
The good thing about chopstick is that I'm good with them, but I'm not that good with them. So when I eat with chopsticks, my food, I take a little longer to eat my food. But if I was eating with a fork, I would have been sucked this food up already.
Like Harold the flying disc, and my water bowl bowling, and squeaks, and that spot in the sun that I like to nap in. And Daisy, and I've missed Mrs. Twinsky and Nature Cat. Oh, hi, Nature Cat. Hello. Oh, hello. I missed you. I was so worried about you. Nature Cat, I had so much fun in the city, but now I want to go home. I'm so happy you found me. Well, I had a lot of help from our city critter friends. Thanks, Mrs. Hawk.
Whoa, this is so big.
You are most welcome.
We have to get home right away, Al. But how?
Just leave it to me and
So we're just gonna be chilling today. Y'all know how we do on Fridays. We just chill, how we chill at the crib, and that's pretty much it. Tomorrow we got a few things to do, well, a few places to go. So we're gonna be doing that.
Thank you so much. If there's ever anything that I, Nature Cat, can do for you, just let me know. Maybe you'd like to stay here with us.
No. The city's our home. We know how to live there. Come on, pigeons. We fly.
You want your vegetables? These are the vegetables.
No,
These.
I don't want the vegetables.
Look, they got greens.
I don't want the vegetables.
Save me the vegetables, okay?
But I'm glad that I live here with you guys. Nature Cat, Squeaks, Daisy, and Hal are cartoon characters and not real animals. To keep all of our
Yeah, I'm
animal
taking
friends
the
safe,
whole of
check with a grown-up
the
before you
tree.
bring a pet on your next nature adventure.
Mm-hmm.
Aha! Nature Cat is brought to you tonight by Sticks. Yes, Sticks. Rend them, stack them, rake them, build a fence with them, a house, a skyscraper. Make a stick man, stick woman, stick kid, stick dog. Make music with them. Play a game with
Let me
them.
show y'all the food because I'm almost done.
Sticks by nature. Spring is here and PBS Kids explores the outdoors. One of my favorite times.
Y'all got to see the food.
Experts at exercise. Nature. Explosions.
I want to go to an all-you-can-eat buffet. Those used to be really popular back in like the 2000s. I remember I went to an all-you-can-eat buffet with my sister and my dad.
Wait, you have a daddy?
I have a daddy, but I'm talking about Pop.
Oh, you have a sister?
I'm talking about Auntie Rachel.
Oh.
Pop took me and Auntie Rachel to a buffet.
Family Foundation, the Single Family Foundation, Urban Harris Foundation, the Other Mighty
It was so good. Back in the 2000s, they used to be so popular. Everybody used to go to all-you-can-eat buffets. But for some reason, nowadays you can't really find one.
Where did we go in the first place?
I think there's one in the Bronx. We did sushi last week. I think there's a buffet place in the Bronx that's still lit. I'm gonna Google that because I really want to go. I want to eat everything, you know, at once. Like, I'm really a foodie. For those who can't tell, like, I want to eat crab legs, broccoli, rice, chicken wings. I want to eat everything all in one. Some salmon, some fruits, some sweets.
What Oscar's on?
Not yet. Our squad comes on at 4 o'clock.
When
So I'm gonna be looking into that.
when Wirepress comes on, it doesn't.
Let me see. Hopefully my mukbang don't mess up. You got 30 more minutes for our squad. But anyways, my babies, I am going to end the mukbang right here. I want to say thank you all for watching, my babies. I love you all so much. And I'll see you all in my next video. Peace and love.